So Domen, great way to start the semi-finals. Tell me about the first feelings that you have right now.
Yeah, we came here to win this game, and the game went on our plans, and we started pretty good on defense and offense. We were today a better team, and I hope that we will go to the finals.
Good. What about you? You had 25 points. It's amazing. You know, you hit your first 4 3-pointers, and yeah, tell me about that.
Yeah, when you play good, it's easy to play. I score first 3-point, tough 3-point, and then I feel relaxed, and I just play my game, and everything went on my plan, and I'm so happy for my game and for the team play. So.
Good. You guys went to the camp for 3 days. How was it?
Yeah, we went away from Rapa, but we are focused on semi-finals game, that we have peace, and we can work out alone. So I think that this helps us also a lot, that we are ready now for semi-finals.
Good. Have a nice one and enjoy.
Thank you.